Have you ever wanted to complete a task and it just seems to take forever? How can you accomplish a task or a to-do and get it done in a short amount of time? That's what this video is all about. It's a short and a simple and an easy to do video that will help you to achieve your goal or your task in a short amount of time and not take forever. Make sure, if you like this video, to hit the subscribe button right below and also hit that notification bell, because I make new videos twice a week and you don't want to miss it, because it's all about creating the life that you desire and live a life that you're meant to live and not expected to live. So let's dive right in. Accomplishing tasks and to-dos. You have to make a presentation, you have to create a speech, you have to write a chapter, you have to finish a report. There's so many to-dos and so many tasks, maybe edit a video just like me, and it just seems to take forever. Well, here's the thing. The secret key is the Law of Parkinson. Have you ever heard of the Law of Parkinson? Well, the Law of Parkinson says that the work expands so as to fill the time which is available to us. Let me repeat. The work expands so as the time that is available to complete that task. Let me explain and rephrase it again. The more time you have to complete a task, the more time it will take you. It's as simple as that. If you have a presentation to make or a report to finish and you think, oh, well, the deadline is within 1 month, and you start working at it today, you will work on it the whole month. It's just the way it is. But if you say, okay, I need to complete it and it has to be done in 2 weeks, you will take 2 weeks. So the thing is, and the secret is with this Law of Parkinson, is that it will take you as long as the time that you take for it, right? So if you say, look, I have 1 month to complete it, you will spend the whole month completing it. If you say I have 1 week to complete it, it will take you 1 week. And I've tested this over and over again. I had speeches to create, chapters of a book to write, other to-do list videos to edit. And sometimes I thought, okay, you know what? It's in 3 months. So I started, gathering some research and gathering some material and starting writing. And then a week later, I was still writing, and then I was adjusting it a bit and then just adding a bit and then researching some more. And the entire 3 months I was working at it. Then came another speech and I thought, okay, I'm not going to start working at it until 1 month before the speech. And so 1 month before the speech, I started doing my research, doing the writing. And so the first 2 months, I did nothing. I just thought, nope, I'm not going to do anything. And I don't want to stress about it, and I don't want to waste time on it. And then during that final month, I was super focused. It had to be done, and I finished it, and I took the 1 month. So instead of spending 3 months on it, I only spent 1 month. And it's the same thing for everything. If I have a presentation, or if I was working with the client and she had a presentation to do and a report to do, it's like, yeah, you know what, I'll just set myself a goal for 3 months. Sure, you can, but then it means that you will be working on it for an entire 3 months, whereas you can actually finish it within 3 weeks. And so we made a commitment like, okay, spend 3 weeks and then get it done. And so the shorter amount of time you give yourself to do it, the shorter amount of time you will get it done. Trust me, it works like that. You get the task done with the time that you make available to it. So the longer time you take, the longer you will spend time on finishing that task. It's really that simple. So the more time you dedicate to a task, the more time it will take you. So shorten your time, try it out. If you have and I'm not saying procrastinate, okay? Don't get me wrong. This is not about procrastinating and saying, oh, I need to do something, so I'll just wait until the night before and get it done. That's what a lot of students in university and in colleges do. It's like, oh, I have time. You just push it and push it and push it away. That's procrastination. I'm not talking about that. This is about you have a to-do list and you have things to do. And the more time you give yourself to do it, the more time it will take you. So shorten that time and tell yourself, look, I'm going to finish it within 1 week, 1 day, and even if the deadline is further away, you put yourself a goal in a certain amount of time and you get it done. That's what the law of Parkinson is, and that's how you can achieve your goal, and you can do it. Just remember, the more time you give yourself, the more time you will spend on it. So stop yourself from doing that and wasting time that you can do on other to-do tasks and other goals that you have. We have plenty of goals. If you're ambitious like me and my clients, we have a lot of goals. So every goal, make it specific, give yourself a certain time frame, put that sense of urgency on it and get it done, because you can get it done. Will you try it? Comment below if you know the law of Parkinson and if you can try it, and give me examples. What are you working on? Is it a presentation? Is it a speech? Is it a book? Is it a report? What are you working on? And test it. Test it and let me know. I'm super curious. So I hope you enjoy my videos, and I really always look forward to the comments below because I love interacting with you, and if I can help in any way, let me know. So remember to subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.